Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Rambow Loom Bands are probably one of the most versatile and engaging craft kits available today, offering endless possibilities for creativity and fun for kids and adults alike, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to dive into the exciting world of DIY jewelry and accessories, from simple bracelets to intricate designs. This kit provides all the tools and materials needed to bring your imagination to life. Number 5. Rambow Loom Original Bracelet Making Kit. Introducing the Original Bracelet Making Kit, a multi-award-winning craft designed for endless creativity. It's the perfect way to express yourself and create beautiful accessories. This toy has earned prestigious accolades, including 4 Toy of the Year awards. It's recognized for its innovation and engaging play experience. With this kit, you can create up to 24 unique bracelets. You'll have plenty of supplies to design and craft a variety of colorful accessories. It's an ideal craft activity for both boys and girls aged 7 and up. This kit provides hours of fun and creative expression for young minds. Unleash your imagination and explore your creativity with this versatile loom. You can make not only bracelets but also necklaces, rings, charms, and even action figures. Using the unique techniques provided, you can develop and enhance your fine motor skills. Create designs ranging from simple to advanced with precision and ease. What we like? This is the authentic, original Rambow Loom. It's an award-winning toy that lets you make up to 24 bracelets. If you're looking for the classic, trusted experience and want to start with the original, this is the one to choose. What people say? They have made 3D footballs for the Super Bowl and even a snake all out of rubber bands. I love how easy it is for them to use. They are 8 and 10 and can complete a lot of the projects with no help. It helps stimulate creativity and improves fine motor skills. Number 4. Rambow Loom Mega Combo Set. Introducing the Rambow Loom Mega Combo Set, your all-in-one kit for endless crafting fun. It's packed with everything you need to get started. With over 7,000 latex-free rubber bands in 21 vibrant colors, you'll have more than enough to create stunning designs. It also includes C-clips, a loom, a hook, and gift bags. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient case, making it perfect for travel, parties, or group activities. Keep your supplies tidy and accessible. Learn to craft 2 unique bracelet designs with our easy-to-follow instructions. Master your skills with the original loom and hook included in this comprehensive set. Our bands are made from high-quality, latex-free rubber, offering great elasticity and vibrant colors that last. Your creations will stand the test of time. Ideal for ages 7 and up, this set promotes fine motor skills and cognitive thinking. It's a fantastic way for kids to build confidence and express their creativity. What we like? This mega combo set offers over 7,000 bands in 21 colors, plus an organizer case and all the tools you need. If you want a comprehensive, all-in-one kit with tons of variety and excellent organization for endless crafting, this is your best bet. What people say? Love the color selection, tools, and instructions. Perfect colors I needed and in perfect shape, no breakage when it comes in, and it's really entertaining when bored, very easy to use. The colors of the bands are vibrant, pretty, and fun, and we love the variegated bands, too. The clever tool that helps make the more complex designs was easy to use with the clear directions included. Mom loves the organizer case because everything stays in one spot, and the box clicks shut tightly and stays shut. Number 3. INSCRAFT Rubber Band Refill Kit. Discover a world of color and fun with this premium refill kit. It's packed with everything you need to bring your imaginative ideas to life. With over 11,000 high-quality bands in 28 vibrant colors, the possibilities are truly endless. They are super stretchy, soft, and durable, ensuring they won't break easily. Designed with children in mind, these bands are lab-tested and free from latex, lead, and phthalates. You can be assured of their safety for your little ones. Keep all your accessories neatly organized in the included storage case. Its smart design with separate compartments makes tidying up a breeze. This kit is perfect for stimulating creativity and developing fine motor skills. Create bracelets, necklaces, bag accessories, and so much more. Looking for a special gift? This is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's also a wonderful way to bond with your child through a fun, hands-on activity. What we like. This refill kit boasts over 11,000 bands in 28 colors, along with beads, clips, and hooks. If you already have a loom and need a massive refill with extra decorative elements like ABC beads, this is perfect for expanding your creative possibilities. What people say. There's so many pieces, the colors are so vibrant, this is going to keep her busy for hours. Bright colors and additional accessories, lots of hooks, endless hours of crafting for him. Designs are really beautiful and it has a lot of varieties. Number 2. JIYAKO 2500 Plus Rubber Band Bracelet Kit. This comprehensive kit includes over 2,500 bands, S-clips, beads, and various accessories. You'll have all the tools necessary for endless creative projects. Keep everything neat and accessible with the included storage case. Each color has its own compartment, promoting organization skills for your little ones. This is a perfect gift for any occasion, encouraging curiosity and creativity. It helps children build self-confidence as they bring their unique designs to life. Engage in quality time with your children while enhancing their intelligence and imagination. This set is designed to foster teamwork and strengthen parent-child bonds. Create beautiful friendship bracelets and more with this versatile loom band kit. It's the ultimate set for crafting unique and personalized accessories. Watch them delight in the process of making their own toys. This kit offers a rewarding experience, filled with the joy of accomplishment and shared creativity. What we like. This kit provides over 2,500 bands, a handy storage case, and accessories like letter beads and charms. If you're looking for a good starter set that encourages organization and is great for parent-child interaction, this option offers a balanced mix of quantity and features. What people say. The bands are durable and don't break easily. Comes with a good variety of colors and accessories. Easy to use for making bracelets and other crafts. Number 1. Loom Rubber Band Refill Kit 31 Colors. Discover a world of vibrant colors with over 13,500 high-quality rubber bands in 31 stunning shades. This kit provides everything you need to start creating. From friendship bracelets and hair accessories to unique charms and dolls, the possibilities are limitless. Let your imagination run wild with countless DIY projects. Looking for a special surprise? This kit is an ideal gift for Christmas, birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for kids, family, friends, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Craft with confidence knowing that our rubber bands are made from premium, safe materials. They are latex-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free, ensuring they are super elastic, soft, and durable. Encourage hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment. This kit helps children develop patience, focus, creativity, and fine motor skills, all while having fun. This is more than just a craft kit, it's an opportunity for quality time. Engage in wonderful parent-child activities that foster warm and supportive relationships. What we like. With over 15,000 bands in 31 colors, including glow-in-the-dark options, this refill kit is massive. If you want the absolute largest quantity of bands with unique features like glow-in-the-dark for exciting creations, and you're focused on sheer volume and variety, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. It was such good quality the paint did not rub off and it was really fun for everybody. There were a lot of variation of colors and there were all the other extra materials that you would need. With a vast array of colors and patterns, the creative possibilities are endless. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, or other accessories, these loom bands are high quality and easy to work with. Great colors so you can really do a lot. Also, I like that it comes with S-clips instead of C-clips, they hold better IMO. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.